Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Next, vascular supply of retina. First, retinal vascular system. We have retina is supplied by two things. One, we have retinal vascular system. Second, we have choroidal vascular system. In the retinal vascular system, actually the inner six layers of the retina derive nutrition from the central retinal artery. The inner six layers of retina will derive nutrition from the central retinal artery. What are the inner six layers of retina? So, actually, the inner six layers of retina means the nerve fiber, internal inner limiting membrane, okay, nerve fiber layer, inner limiting membrane, nerve fiber layer, ganglion cell layer, inner plexiform layer, inner nuclear layer, outer plexiform layer. All these, and also outer nuclear layer. All these six layers will receive nutrition from the central retinal artery. Then we have the central retinal arteries are actually the end arteries, and they do not anastomose with each other. There is no anastomosis present in the retinal arteries. Then we have choroid vascular system. Outer four layers will get nutrition from the uh, choriocapillaries of choroidal vascular system. So from the choroidal vascular system, the outer four layers will receive nutrition, that is from the short posterior ciliary artery. So what are the outer four layers? Pigment epithelium, photoreceptor layer, outer limiting membrane, and outer nuclear layer. So till here, outer four layers will receive the nutrition from the choroidal vasculature, whereas inner six layers will receive the nutrition from retinal vasculature. So most of the times the retinal arteries are actually end arteries without any anastomosis, but there is something called as circle of Zinn or Haller, where this is nothing but the anastomosis of the central retinal artery and the posterior sorry anastomosis of the central retinal artery and posterior ciliary artery is seen with the arterial circle called as Zinn and Haller. There is something called as arterial circle of Zinn and Haller. So this central retinal artery and short posterior retinal artery anastomose in this circle. So this is the vascular supply of retina.
thank you and thank you for watching.